Hey guys, tired of looking poor? Well then fear no more, because we're about to jump into this rich look.
So just say...
Let's just go ahead and get started.
No, just be like...
So we're just going to jump in with primer. We're going to use the POREfessional by Benefit Cosmetics. So what I like to do with this is just put it on little drops on my face like this. A little goes a long way, so these 3 drops work perfect. So next we're going to be doing eyebrows. I am using the e.l.f. brow kit. Okay, so what I'll do is just dip into it, take the little spoolie on the end.
Alright guys, so we finished the brows and we are moving right along to the...
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this foundation. What I like to do is just dab it on the beauty blender, get as much as I can for the first portion of the face.
Alright guys, so that was it for the foundation part, I think. I don't really know how to do makeup, so she can explain.
Alright, so next we're going to go in with concealer. This is a more higher end product. This is the Shape Tape. It's by Tarte Cosmetics, and we are going to be using light in the shade. Alright guys, this is how you do the concealer. These are the main points of your face to highlight. If you go in with a damp beauty blender, it gives it more of a focus on the face. Okay, so now we're going to bake Lauren's face. This gives the highlight a little bit more bright of a complexion. We're going to be using this drugstore baking powder. It's by Coty Airspun.
Peep, she just got makeup all over my blanket.
So we're going to be taking the same Eco Tools Beauty Blender, putting it under the eye in the same places that we did concealer.
We're baking. She has serious issues. But no, seriously, I do look like Michael Jackson, like in this lighting.
Okay guys, and we are moving right along in this makeup tutorial. I look like a pasty white ghost with some freaky eyebrows at this point, but
that's how we do it.
I'm trusting her with my life.
So now we're gonna go in with the contour kit. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a more higher end product. It can be purchased at Ulta and Sephora.
No, because it didn't focus.
And we're back and we're going to contour the hell out of this face. So, hope it lets me look less pasty.
So what we're gonna do is just pack on the lightest shade where we did the highlighter. Or the concealer, I should say. So now we're going to go in with a little bit of a darker shade for her contour. And you'll just put it right here on the cheekbone. So now we have the contour done. We are going to go ahead and jump into the eyes. Okay, so we're going to be going in with a lighter shade just to set the primer that I put on her eye. And the shade that we are using is called Pendant. So now we're going to be going in with the translucent shade, and this shade is called Getaway. So you're just gonna lightly take it up here. So we're gonna go in with a little bit of a deeper shade, and this one is called Starry. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the Shape Tape Concealer and edge out her eye. We're gonna do what they call a cut crease. Okay, so now we're going to take a glitter shade out of the palette. We're going to pack it on. This shade is called Majestic, and this is gonna go where I have the concealer. So now we're going to go in with eyeliner. This eyeliner is a more higher end product. It is called All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in black, and it is by Stila. Okay, so now we're gonna go onto the waterline, which is right here, and then we're going to be using NYX POREfessional liner in the shade Midnight. So now we're gonna do her lashes. We're gonna use Lifted by Tarte. Now we're gonna go in with the blush, and we are going to be using the 12 Hour Blush by Tarte in the shade Feisty. This is a stippling brush, so we're just gonna smooth it on right here.
Alright guys, so this is what we have done so far. And we are moving right along to the
highlighter. So we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit. Let me just kind of show you the colors. Okay, so we're going to be going in with Summer. And this is just a little bit of a smaller stippling brush, and it's by e.l.f. So when you do highlighter, you want to put it above, right where you put the blush. So we're just gonna stipple it in. So now we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip on Lauren.
That's me. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on this video on how to look rich by just doing your makeup. I think she did a pretty good job. I would never be able to do this, so thankfully I had Bree help me out.
Super easy look. If you have any questions, just comment below and we will leave all the products in the description box. Please make sure that you subscribe to Lauren's channel and like our video.
And that would be wonderful. Also, if you guys could share this, I'd appreciate it. So that is it. I will see you next Friday. Bye guys.
Now it's time for me to take over.
Princess Maddie is here. Welcome her.